Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to give your Windows 11 computer a virus checkup using the built-in Windows Security app. This tool gets the job done without needing any extra software. Alright, let's open up Windows Security. Just click that Start menu at the bottom, type Windows Security in the search bar and click the app when it pops up. Easy, right? Once you've got Windows Security open, look over on the left side and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now, here's where we have a few different options. To check them out, click on Scan Options. We've got a lineup of scans, each with its own superpowers. Quick Scan. This one's the Express Scan. It checks the usual hiding spots for anything phishing. Perfect for a quick health check. Full Scan. This scan checks every corner of your computer. But keep in mind, it will take a bit more time. Custom Scan. Got a suspicious folder? This one lets you choose exactly where to scan. Microsoft Defender Offline Scan restarts your computer and does a deep sweep before Windows loads up, ideal for catching any sneaky, persistent threats hiding in the shadows. Now, for regular maintenance, I suggest starting with a quick scan. Go ahead and click it. And Windows Security will start checking things out. You will see a progress bar and an estimated time. A quick scan only takes a few minutes, enough time to leave a like. When the scan's done, you will see a summary of the results. If any threats are detected, Windows Security will let you know and give you options to remove or quarantine them. Feeling like a deeper clean? Go back to Scan Options and choose Full Scan. It will take a bit longer, but think of it as a peace of mind session for your computer. And now, let's say you want to go all in and give your computer the ultimate checkup. Let's try a Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. To do this, head back to Scan Options, select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Quick tip, save any open work as this will restart your computer. You've successfully scanned your computer for viruses using the built-in Windows Security feature. However, keep in mind that this isn't a 100% guarantee that your computer is virus-free. For additional peace of mind, you can download free virus scanning software from Malwarebytes, Asset or other trusted companies. You will find the links in the description below. Be safe and thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye.